So you might be wondering if the IKEA Solskydd Bluetooth speaker is worth it for you. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So the IKEA Solskydd Bluetooth speaker is one of those products that is clearly designed to blend into your home first and act like a speaker second. Now, instead of looking like a typical black box here, it's meant to sit out and open and feel more like a decor, whether that's on the shelf, a table, or even like leaning against a wall. So whatever you want. So the setup is quite simple. You connect the Bluetooth, play music from your phone or laptop, and that's basically it. Now, some versions also support linking multiple IKEA speakers together for quick play features like Spotify Tap, which fits the whole easy everyday use idea IKEA usually goes for. Now, when you look at how people are reacting to it, well, feedback lines up pretty closely here with what's it's trying to be. Now, a lot of praise is about design and price. So people like that it doesn't look techy and that it's affordable compared to lifestyle speakers. So from bigger audio brands. So that's and that it's easy to use without fiddling with apps or accounts. So for casual listening in a kitchen, bedroom or living space here, many say it does the job just fine and looks nicer than most speakers in the same price range here. Now, where things get more mixed is sound quality. So, in general, tone online isn't that it sounds bad, but that it sounds fine. So, bass isn't specifically deep. Detail isn't what you'd expect from speakers made by audio first brands. So there's also some hesitation from people who love IKEA's old Sonos collaborations because those set a higher bar for sound compared to those. So Solskid feels more like a design focused speaker with acceptable audio rather than something meant to impress music enthusiasts. So whether you should get it really comes down to expectation. Now, if you want a good looking speaker, Bluetooth speaker here that's easy to live with, doesn't dominate the room visually, the sound is decent for everyday listening, the IKEA Solskid makes sense. The sound quality is the top priority. If the sound quality is your top priority here and design is secondary, a lot of people online would say it's worth comparing to other options before committing. So it's not a bad speaker, it just knows its lane and it stays in it. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.